Okay, so parking here can be a little bit on the steep side. Yeah. Just like that. It is pretty steep, but it's cool. Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're in Burford. Now Burford is an absolutely beautiful village which is part of Cotswold. Now Burford was here in 1175, however there are many archaeological finds which predate Stone Age. Cotswolds is a group of historical towns and stone-built villages surrounded by quintessentially English countryside. And Burford is gateway to Cotswolds. Historical Burford is essentially one street, but you would be surprised how much time does it take to admire all of the little detail and really enjoy your day on this street. A lot of cottages have flowers around them, which are now in bloom. All the metal work around the cottage, like doorknobs, is exquisitely ornate as well. All the flowers that we saw were very beautiful. And for those who love gardening, there's an exquisite garden centre only 5-minute drive down the road. Amazing, just look at the size of these windows, so small. One of the reasons this village remained so beautiful and so preserved is because during the modernization times they didn't build the train station here. And although it affected the trade at the time, this village became a massive tourist destination. The older the village, the less numbers you see on cottages. Instead, you have names. The spaces which shops occupy nowadays were used as craftsmen's workshops when the village was built. There are no two identical cottages in the village. Every cottage is unique, and people maintain their beauty for centuries. This is the Church of St. John the Baptist, and it was built in 1175. But the building work was complete only by 1500. And after we finished the exploration for the day, it was so enjoyable to sit on this bench and admire the view. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this walk around Burford. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do leave me a comment down below, because I actually read these comments and they mean the world to me. And until next Thursday, bye bye.